What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage. Today we are going to be talking about detailing, and we're going to be talking about it on the 2018 BMW M4. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, I definitely recommend to do so. We got some really good content going on. We got the 2018 M4, which is going to be doing a bunch of stuff too. We got the 1988 BMW E30 that you guys saw just a second ago, pulling it out. I got the 86 E30 and got the 17 Audi S3. So cool cars. If you guys are into European cars or whatever, I do whatever. Check it out, subscribe, hit that bell, boom. You know the drill. All right, top 5 things commonly missed while detailing cars. Alrighty guys, so as you can see right here, we got the 2018 M4. It looks pretty dang clean right now. It's looking very, very nice. I detailed it the other day. However, there are a couple spots that I wanted to point out to you guys that are very commonly missed while detailing a car. Number 1, and most cars have these, glass hole. All right, make sure to clean your freaking glass hole. Look at this. Would you just look at that? Look at that. You see it? That's your glass hole right there, okay? So what we're gonna do is, I'll show you real quickly how to clean your glass hole. You don't want crap in your glass hole. Oh yeah. So just easily using a brush right here, you can just kind of, you know, wipe your glass hole out and, well, just get all that junk out of there, see? Another way to get this stuff out of your glass hole is to make sure to use a pressure washer. You can actually just blow this out, or use a leaf blower, and you can also blow it out as well. That works very good too. Number 2 is right there, and I'm actually gonna use this chance to, well, to put on my plate, but wipe behind your plate. Basically wipe your behind, right? I think we've all heard this. If you guys have ever noticed when you're cleaning your car, you're spraying it down, your license plate always has a bunch of junk and a bunch of dirt behind it. As you can see, this car already has a little bit of dust. I literally cleaned it up yesterday, and the dust just collects so quickly. Well, what happens is dust gets collected behind here. You wash your car, it gets a little bit wet, and it just keeps leaking the dirty water back onto your car, which can deposit just, you know, water spots and all that type of stuff. Ooh. As you can see, it is nice and gross back there. Look at that. Oh, look at all the dust. For a quick detail on the car, I always like to use EcoSmart. I have this concentrated stuff, that way I can just basically fill up a bottle and make like about 100 bottles of this. This is the way to do it, guys, if you guys are gonna like clean your car all the time. The waterless wash works amazing. I'll put a link to this down below. I probably had this stuff like 3 years. I'm guessing 3 years on this, so it lasts a while. Definitely worth the investment. Mix it up nice and good and pour a little bit of that concentrate in here. I like to get about 2 to 3 ounces in there and then just add water. It's nice as this stuff has carnauba wax built in, so it works very, very good. Always use a clean microfiber towel when using this stuff, but ooh, would you just look at that? It looks so good. Another commonly missed area back here in the trunk is right here. We always want to make sure to wipe the crack, because look, it just gets junk in there. This is a commonly missed area. I have some junk in here. Also, this can pick up, you know, just dirt and grime and all that type of stuff. Always wipe your crack. Oh my God, what do we have here? We got the brush. Blow out that area or wipe out that area. Then use some detailing spray. Also make sure to, you know, get any water spots that you may have. A lot of time water spots build up because as your car dries from cleaning it off, the water goes down here and gets it gross. So clean the crack. Oh yeah, much better. You also just want to clean up this area. This is commonly forgotten. So all around here is a very good area to clean and commonly missed. For the 4th commonly missed place, that is your gas depository. So right here, as you can see, mine is looking nasty. It's just gross. Let's clean up the inside of this gas hole right here. We are gonna use the CarPro Pearl. Now this stuff is my favorite for anything trim related, anything black, basically anything like tires or anything like that. It makes it look so amazing. Also, it doesn't leave it looking glossy or like really just sticky or anything like that. It just looks amazing. So it leaves like a matte finish. We're gonna clean up this gas hole with it and make it look good. Behind the gas door, because that's commonly missed as well. Get all up in there and get it looking nice and fresh.
Hey guys, you don't know me, it's me, Bert, and just want to tell you about that last little spot right there. It's up in the hood. Hey, what? I'm about to freaking jump out. It's up in the hood. I'm gonna show you it. It's right up here. Let's show you that, okay? All right.
So the last spot is the hood rat gutter. Look at that. It's just gross. Look at that down there. Ugh. Ugh. I've been waiting, you know, I collect all sorts of crap, leaves, all sorts of things down there, but we're gonna use that CarPro Pearl and get this looking nice. Look at the hood gutter. It's disgusting. Man, this thing has like kind of the most giant hood gutter ever, but like, look at that. Yuck, looks like a freaking like koi pond scum bucket. Who knows? We're gonna clean that up with some CarPro Pearl and make this thing look amazing. Looks like some sort of old fish tank. As you can see, now it is super nice and super clean with that CarPro Pearl. So it's looking amazing. Let me know down in the comments below a spot that maybe I missed, maybe something you can think of that is a top missed spot while detailing a car. But those are my top 5. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that notification bell down there and hit that subscribe button. It helps a ton. We're trying to get to 100K this year, which would be amazing, which means you could help that out. Just click it. Doesn't cost you anything. Nothing like that. So the car looks amazing. We hit those top 5 missed spots. Now the car is detailed and looking so damn good. We will talk to you guys soon. Later, and wrench on.